collection URL doesn't exist or the link is broken. Let's fix it step by step. How to fix "there is no page at this address" error on Shopify. 1. Check the URL. Make sure the link is correct and matches the exact Shopify URL. Shopify is case sensitive in some cases. Example, /product/product name instead of product/product name. 2. Verify page product exists in Shopify admin, online store, pages, products, collections. Confirm that the item exists and is published. If you deleted it, Shopify will show this error. 3. Fix broken links navigation. Go to online store navigation and check if menu links are pointing to the right page product. Update or remove any broken links. 4. Check theme settings. If the error appears on dynamic pages like collections, blogs, or products, some themes use custom templates. Ensure the template is published and assigned properly. 5. Redirect old URLs. If you recently changed product names or URL break, fix this by creating a 301 redirect. Shopify admin, online store, navigation, view URL redirects, add redirect. Example, redirect/old page/new page. 6. Clear cache, test on another browser. Sometimes cache shows outdated links. Test the link in incognito mode or another device. 7. App or theme code issues. If the error happens only after installing a new app or theme update, the code might be pointing to a missing template. Temporarily switch to Dawn theme, Shopify default, to test. If you've checked everything and it still shows, contact Shopify support with the exact URL so they can trace it on their servers. Do you want me to now